Okay, so it was another really hot day, mid-September. My air conditioner just kicked on. Sorry for the noise. Mid-September, so I wasn't out in the garden all day today. I was trying to avoid being out in the heat. It's now dusk, and I don't have a lot of daylight left, so we're going to quickly put some seeds in the ground. I'm planting Delphiniums today. It's something I've always wanted to grow in my garden. They get to be 4 to 6 feet high. They're these beautiful, tall spires of many different blooms. Well, all one color bloom on each spire, but many blooms on each. So it should be beautiful. It's being planted along a walkway that I'm hoping will create a little bit of a wall, or a little bit of privacy. So it should be really nice. They do like a combination of sun and shade, so it should be the perfect spot for that. I will do that first. They do take 2 to 4 weeks to begin to germinate, and they have to be kept moist. So I'm going to have to really baby them. We're not getting any rain this week, so I'll have to stay on top of that. So yeah, wish me luck. Okay, so that task is done. It wasn't so bad at all. I did add quite a bit of compost to the area. The quality of soil is not great here, so I tried to work that in a bit. And then gave it a good water. The trick I learned recently is to turn your water spout on your watering can so it's facing upwards, and then it's a more gentle rain. So I enjoyed doing that. Also, the seeds were not planted very deep at all, because if you think about it, in the autumn, things naturally fall into the ground when they're kind of self-seeding, and then they don't fall deep into the ground. So it kind of makes sense. That's how nature does it. So anyway, that section's been done. Like I said, I have to stay on top of it. This is the potting soil or compost that I use. I've never used this before. Expert gardener is ironic. I'm definitely not that. So I will report back. Yeah, anyhow, that's it for today. Wish me luck. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Soon we'll be putting those in the ground. So watch for that too. We're going to divide those up and create more of a privacy along the walkway. Okay. Thanks for watching Petals and Perils. Happy gardening. See you again soon.